bastard.
Okay, I haven't streamed in ages. Because I ain't allowed to stream all the time now because it came to the internet. Okay now.
Piss off.
Alright. Good crap out. So, either work on. What did you say?
Played the esports just went mad in the background.
I don't know.
Absolute ape shit in the background.
Oh, it hasn't saved my thingamabob. Why hasn't it saved my
Nice. I've got a 0 recoil AR.
Oh, so I've done all that, and now I have to redo it because you didn't save any of it. Yeah, that's gay. Okay, guess I'm redoing all this all over again.
0 recoil with different scope.
It's fine. I can redo all this again. It wasn't a problem.
Whoa, I've broken Call of Duty for the third time.
So on begin play, this wants to do two things.
That's how I saw it play shoot.
Begin play wants to allow mouse click, mouse input.
Oh, it's still 0 recoil. That's
It needs to allow allow mouse click. No, I have to do something about allowing mouse click. I can't remember what it was. I need to do the actor unclicked.
I don't know how I've done. I don't know how.
Actor unclicked. I also want to do actor unclicked. This isn't going to work till I set you up. Custom, have you do visibility to block. Compile you, just in case it's not just that. Let's go to collision on you. Put collision to custom. Put block on the visibility. Now I can click on you, now you work. That will work once I actually hook that up. I need to do the mouse click thing. Hello. Was it a low mouse click? What? Context sensitive, turn that off. Was it a low mouse click? Mouse click? There's something that allowed me to turn on mouse. Turn on mouse. No, what was it called? There was a node called something for turning on the mouse clicks.
I don't know.
Apparently, I'm streaming Rocket League when I'm fucking not. Oh, because I didn't change my category because they don't let me.
In a while since I've used this optic. I mean, it's one of my.
I remember to do it. Just remember what the bloody thing was called.
That's not a big enough optic for what I want. Let's quickly.
I have to enable that's enable input. It wasn't enable when I was clicked, select unclicked, event graph record. There's something about turning on the clicked event. Oh, enable input, okay. I have to just do enable input. Enable input, which is then what allows the player to, which then allows it to get input. So I'm going to get the player controller. Get player controller. No. Oh, target must have a reference. So it's going to get a reference to self. Must get a reference to self, and now I can compile you, and there's still an error. Do I have to hook up a player controller? I do not have to hook up a player controller. Okay. Enable import mean unit work. Mean we can now click on the AI again. I want two things. I need 2 booleans. I need is clicked and can roam. Can roam. Yo, what up, brothers? Also, unclicked, do a flip flop. And then that wants to create widget. What is your Rocket League rank right now then, Raiders? Alex status UI. Do I have? I don't have anything with a widget. So why does it save? Okay, that can just GC1 div 4. Nice. Is that in what game mode's that, Brad? Alex status UI. I want to add to viewport. Add that to viewport. Don't know why it does that when it's already connected. And this wants to do this. When you click it again, remove it from parent. Nice. I don't really play 2 as much anymore. I've barely even been on Rocket League. I literally just go on Rocket League to practice 3s. So that now works to do the UI. So that now calls UI. What I haven't actually set up is the unclicked. So unclicked is true. Unclicked is false. That allows us to set up the can roam. So now I want to set up the can roam function. So, oh, that doesn't matter because I've got the click function, which doesn't matter because I'm not using that anymore. So the click function can disappear. I want the can roam function. This wants to be changed because no, that's the change direction. Change the animation state. That's already set to roam. Now where's the event tick? There it is. I need to remove the event tick, break that, create a custom event called anim state. You're going for GC2 then, Braders. That calls the anim state, so you can be called on event tick. So let me just call the anim state. Anim state. Fares. Every game tick. This gets called. These get called every game tick. So that creates the UI. So now I want to reset up the UI again because my UI broke after I fucking set it all up. This was a test button on it. No, that's the HUD. I made a new HUD and it hasn't even saved my new HUD. That's great. That's a button. I don't want the button. I want the image. But which Black Ops you're playing then, Carl? The fucking Modern Warfare 3 multiplayer?
Yeah, I'm playing Modern Warfare multiplayer at the moment.
Fairs. You're not playing ranked?
Nope, I've not been on ranked since the start of the season, to be honest.
So I'm surprised you're not playing multiplayer ranked.
I've been unlocking all the new guns.
I mean, yeah, fair enough then.
Because once Black Ops 6 comes around, you'll never have another chance of unlocking them.
Yeah, that is true.
I'm just gonna get rid of all.
Yeah, like, you don't need to be flashy. Bottom, HUD, UI. I don't know why people like to be flashy in fucking ranked. I barely play flashy anymore.
Mate, you slid into that shot.
Wait.
Bro.
Is Braders in this server? Because Braders could just join this voice chat.
I have no idea if Red is.
Is he in this server?
Probably not, no.
No, he's not. Braders, I'm inviting you to the server. Join the fucking VC.
Fucking die, dickhead. Oh, where the fuck did you?
Yeah.
You're fucking underneath me. How the fuck
Join the VC. Come talk to us.
Dickwad. Gas station. Oh, someone's here. Just in a nade. Where are you? I ain't got my thermal on, so I'm just...
Like, the only reason I really play Rocket League now is to play this one custom map used so you can, like, practice car movement and car control.
Hey buddy, I see you up there. Don't even think of sniping me. I know where you are.
I want to snipe you. Can I snipe you?
No.
I'm good at sniping, you know I am. Don't you make that sound to me, you know I'm good at sniping.
No, just for a message. I don't care about that. I don't care about that message because it's not irrelevant right now.
What message?
Fucking when I just a friend asking me, oh, do you want to start Minecraft server?
No. It's like, no, not really. Daryl, you like Minecraft anymore? Ain't it?
No, no, to fair, he's asked a few of us if we can do it, and I said, yeah, I can do it when I'm free. He just asked me if I'm free, and I said, no, so I'm not free right now.
I don't really enjoy playing Modern Warfare 3, playing Minecraft anymore. I have it, but do I play it? Not really. Hello, Raiders.
Hello.
Didn't even realize you joined.
Bro, I need to be GC2 right now. Like, I don't know how I'm not.
I don't understand how I'm not GC1 yet. Oh, I know why. Teammates suck. I'll get there eventually when I can buy to grind it. I want to grind 3s more than anything though, no, but I don't really feel like playing 3s or playing Rocket League for that matter right now.
My Discord.
Bro, I've just slaughtered a team.
What'd you say?
Got me a kill.
What'd you say, Raiders?
I said my Discord broke for a second.
Oh, thanks. Well, yeah, I don't feel like playing bloody Rocket League at all right now.
The main reason I did is because yesterday I was in the MMR range like of GC2.
Yeah.
Wallbang
And I had a
headshot.
horrible teammate.
It's always the way though, ain't it?
Yeah,
You always get the horrible teammates. And that's when the game isn't fun.
No,
Oh, because I've got this.
You could tell I am GC2. Like, maybe.
The way I play, like, it's the same with me. I play like a GC1, but I'm not. For some reason, I'm not a GC1 when I should be. Bullshit. And then for some reason, when we play together, you've got bloody controller issues, so we can't play together. It's actually stupid because we play together. You got controller issues. When I solo queue, my teammates suck. Still.
No, nah, that's bullshit.
3s ain't that bad anymore. I don't mind playing 3s. I just can't be able to play 3s.
You know, I lost my GC in 3s and then immediately got it back the game after.
Right, back in GC again now.
Yeah.
Good shit. It's good for you.
This just shows I am GC. I should be
douchebag.
I just physically can't.
Just dropped on
I'm not
that
actually that good.
Dropped on that dickhead.
To be honest, I don't enjoy hoops anymore.
You know, I never really did.
Hoops used to be good, but is it any good anymore? Not really.
No. My opinion was never really that great.
Like, diamond players in hoops, bro, they're like champ. It's like, what is... No, I know Plat, actually. Me and Manu were playing in Plat lobbies, right? We was facing Plat players in hoops, they were like champs.
Yeah.
It's like, how are you so good when you're like bloody... It's like, why? I just don't like hoops in general, to be honest. Hoops is just... Ugh.
Oh my god. This guy...
Hoops is just the worst.
I'm one game off GC too.
You actually?
Just like, yeah,
Well, I would say I'll jump on, but I don't know if I can even keep up with GC2s no more. So I don't want to throw your rank by loading up. That's what I do need to practice. Let me get this working, and then I'll once I fix this, I'll jump on Rocket League for a little bit.
I mean, you say you need to practice 3s, we can get you up in 3s. Oh, teammate, that's your kickoff.
Yeah, but you're how high in 3s? I don't know if we'll be able to play. I don't know if there'll be a rank difference or not.
It shouldn't be.
I mean, I'm like diamond in 3s and you're GC1. So I don't know if there will be a rank disparity or not.
Oh, this guy is throwing up. Like, how have you let 2 goals like that in and then score double?
The only way we get rid of rank disparity is just get Callum to jump on and we carry him. I know, because the last time we did that, we lost against GCs. The last time we did that, Callum's plat, so he's not silver. Well, no, he's like gold plat. If Callum even plays bloody Rocket League anymore.
I've not been on for about 2 weeks.
Teammate, help me! Jesus Christ!
How about no?
I'm not even joking. We're 2 minutes into the game. I have 12 saves.
Really?
Yes. And
Jesus
teammate
Christ.
has none, and 1 goal, which was a lucky double reset.
Always the way, ain't it?
Mm.
Like, I would love to help you get GT 2 in 2s. I just don't know if I can keep up with GT 2s anymore. I used to be able to. You see me keep up with GT 2s.
Yep.
I just don't know if I still can. And I don't want to come on and try and then fly your bloody ring.
It's fine. Like people this low aren't the best anymore.
They really aren't. They do kind of suck now. So this is going to be the status of what it's currently doing.
Like, I'm not even joking. I just scored a dribble goal, like, against GC2s with no boost.
Yeah.
And they both just charged at me.
So that's going to be... let's just put that as hashtag, so I can just change that. Just put it as that, because that's going to be changed, because that wants to say what the status of it currently is doing. And then I want another text underneath, which wants to be size 20. These don't want to be bold, these want to be regular. And this is going to be the job of the player. So this AI is a lumberjack. This AI is lumberjack.
Go. Oh my lord, he doesn't even get good enough shots. This is...
Right.
Like,
So now, it should work.
Can do the flashy stuff. They can never score it.
It's like, yeah, I can do it, but I'll never score it. Like, then don't do it then. There's no point. There's no point doing it if you're not going to score it.
You know, I rarely ever go for resets, but I know I can score them.
Oh, yeah, same. I just don't go for them.
Most of the time it's just because I don't have, like, the time to get it.
I don't see anyone complaining that I'm streaming, so I guess the internet's fine. It might have just been the weather. Oh, it would also help if that text was also aligned in the bottom right.
Teammate, please.
Let's align that.
Don't get the ball. You're lucky it was 0 seconds.
I want to turn this into a variable because I want to be able to change. I want to be able to change that on a button press. I want to be able to stop it from roaming.
What is?
Teammate, move out the way, man.
Stop roam.
What?
It's like, I actually...
So that's a variable. Before we put text on it, let's put an unclicked.
Nice one, teammate. Nice one.
Unclicked. It wants to change the status to idle, which I want to do after that. But then it wants to cast. This wants to cast. No, this wants to have a flip flop. Flip flop.
That was the luckiest goal I think you've ever scored, teammate. How we won that, I have no idea.
And then it wants to cast to BP. No, this wants to cast to the Alex AI. On both. Cast to Alex AI on both. Cast to Alex AI.
I'm 1488 right now.
And what's GC?
GC2 is like 1545, I think. I think it's just 100 more than.
This is going to be can roam. So set can roam.
Bullshit, man.
So when press it, it's going to set can roam to false. And then again, this one's going to set can roam to true. Can roam. Set can roam to true.
It's the fact that out of everyone, I can get like this close to GC2.
And then the set can roam to true, this wants to call roam. Call the roam function, and then have that recall the roam function.
Actually, no, I shouldn't stream because this controller, because it's the bad controller.
And it'll probably make you lag. Something needs to be connected to the cast to the AI, but it's an actor, not I don't know what to cast. What do I cast to this? Can I just cast Alex? Can I just get Alex? No, because if I get the Alex, it's going to say target to self, get Alex, but then there's going to be an error on that. So what do I set that cast as? This also wants to change the status at the end.
What a fucking pass, teammate. Jesus Christ.
I need to cast these, but I don't know what I'm going to cast them as. What my object's going to be.
Shit.
As soon as I get this working, brothers, I'll load up and we'll try run some 2s or 3s.
Yeah, up the teammate. Okay, that was terrible because they were there. See, I can actually see when it's my fault as well, which just shows that most of the time it isn't the case. Go to me. Take the shot. Wait, musty. Teammate. Oh my lord, that was an amazing musty. Oh god. Why now? Why? Fucking DDoSers, man. That's my main problem in this game, DDoSers.
Yeah.
The thing is, half the time they don't even score either, which makes it even worse for them. Thank you, teammate. Oh my god. Damn it. Go on, teammate. Oh, great.
Oh, so I need to make a reference to the AI. So let's turn this into a variable. And then let's call that as Alex AI. This is all going to do moved because this is to the cast. All this just to fucking have my text be changed, which is going to be done multiple times. And then I can plug in as Alex AI into the object, meaning now it references that. That's the object. Boom, done. I can roam, and now I need to change the text.
I'm getting like, a lot better at passing, by the way. Like, I've been able to read so many people from mid-air.
Nice.
It's kind of insane. The amount of goals I've gotten.
Add a text block, boom, done. Set the text block to get a unique name, that's fine. Set the variable to text. Set the text block for the post. No, I don't care about that. Set display text, new text. Can I just do set display text? No.
Yeah, fuck you. Oh, if teammate. Oh, there's no way. There's no way. If I had carried on, I would have scored that. Tell it's high rank. Both just do the same thing at the exact same time.
So I need to go to my text and I need to create a binding for this text right here. Behind the text, create a binding.
They've gotten one goal from DDoSing, the other one from luck.
Set status text to new script.
Normal day of Rocket League. Let's be honest.
Oh, where's the way in it?
It's the fact it took them 4
No,
hours.
no, that wants to change that. It wants to change this to text.
Teammate, please. Teammate, please. Thank you.
Wants to change that to text. We'll go to the event graph and I know grab the get status text.
This guy's insane. Like, he actually makes his mechanics work. Ow, I just punched the wall. Wait, on your right, teammate. Let's go. Honestly, good enough. No, you turn. Oh, I didn't think you turn. No, no.
Can I not just change the text? Change text. There's a way you can just change the text, and I can't remember how you do it so the text changes based on the button presses. I have it on my old one where you can just change the text, and I can't remember what it's called. To text.
This guy was my savior.
To string. No, that's to string text. I don't think I actually need this get status text. I don't care about that. I shouldn't need to do a binding when I can just do it as. I don't need a binding.
What rank are you in 2s on that account, by the way?
Champ 2.
Yeah, you should be fine then, because I was just against the champ 2.
Yeah, I'll be on once I get this working.
Yeah, I've got one more game to 1500 anyway. So.
Change text. No, text. Edit text source string. Is this what it is? If I do that, that should set it to idle. Let's see if that works. It probably won't, but let's just test it. Think I do anything? No, that ain't gonna do anything, is it?
I'll be on your right, teammate.
Oh.
The reason I decided to go for GC2 was just because of the fact that I have like half the season to do it still.
Yeah. So.
I have a lot of time.
You could get GC3 really if you fucking tried to.
Nah, no, I'm not. Trust me. If I could, I would make that guy hit the boss line. If I could, I would have already done it. But that guy hit. He's so well to me. What could I have done other than let that happen?
The front face works. So it does, that is when set to idle.
I hate these teammates always get annoyed at you for like not being able to do anything when they're nowhere near where you should be.
Which is put in charge?
We also want to put that there.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, wash your hands and then put it on charge. Dickhead.
Teammate, please.
I need it to change the text. Edit text.
This guy says wow and then immediately bumps me on a.
I need to open up my other fucking I think I need to open up my other file. That uses. Did I delete it? No, it's not. It's right. No, there's the right one. Oh no, I deleted it. I deleted the other project, so I can't even get on it. I have to remember how the hell I changed the text.
Okay. I think GC has just gone to flat. Because the amount of times my champion on boost overhaul is insane. Teammate, you're not there. And then you blame me when I can't be in the exact.
I know, right? That's me every game.
The thing is, he got annoyed at me for not being able to say something that was physically impossible for me to read. I missed the boost for you. I missed the boost for him and he didn't even get it.
Set button text to new text. New text. No, that doesn't work. That's gay. Let's just go ahead and create a binding, even though I don't want to use bindings for this bullshit.
Please go. Teammate. Oh my god.
I have to make bindings for a button, but I don't want to use a binding. I shouldn't have to use a binding. Create a binding.
Shitty teammates, but you know.
Get status text. The text it wants to change is the status. Like that.
Keep in mind, Rocket League uses a little bit of skill-based matchmaking. So if this is how I play for like most of my games, this is insane. Because I really don't play like that.
I also do need to do one for the button as well, but I don't really care about that.
I don't know how I scored that.
Get status text. New text. Change text. Edit text. I don't fucking know.
Teammate, don't you dare blame me for that. What am I meant to do with you missing 2 of the easiest balls and him getting a lucky touch over you?
Stop missing balls. Idle.
Because he's clearly gay enough to be this high in Rocket League, so he should be pretty good at touching balls.
No, they're not. When are they ever good at touching balls? That one's through settings invisible, so once I get to work, I'm going to turn that text off to show nothing. But no, it's going to always show something. It's either going to show roaming or idle, which isn't going to do anything until I actually set it up.
Teammate, please, do something. Teammate! Teammate!
It wants to default to roaming, or wants to constantly get what it is, and then just change based on what it's actually doing. Click on you open, so it says status, so press the button. Oh, it says status right there. Status.
I have no faith for the future of Rocket League.
So it changes the text, but it doesn't actually... Oh, wait, no, the text is it's just putting it to status.
No, you did something for once, teammate.
You're changing it to status, but I don't want to change it to status, do I?
Okay, I hit the dude, but apparently I didn't. That's fine. Okay, what?
No, that ain't gonna work though, is he? It's a fucking game.
Teammate, hit it. Teammate, hit it. I genuinely have no hope for the future of this game. You're saying, oh my god, when I had to carry on a challenge for you. Factor 0, boost as well. So he didn't score this today. Move. Wouldn't it be funny if I just scored like immediately after he said take this shot, like after not going for it because it was a way better play. 'Cause if I had gone for that, they had a completely open net. On teammate.
Set its default value to roam. Okay, so I'm deleting this so I don't have to change any of that. No, go away. Why are you giving me errors? You're giving me errors on that because you don't exist anymore. What the hell? What am I getting errors on now? Oh, no, I'm getting errors on. This, remove binding. Default it to roaming.
No problem, teammate. Look, it's one of the shots you wanted me to save. Now go, because I don't have boost. I know you didn't either. You had like a way better opportunity to go. Mate, how am I? Okay, right. Riddle me this, teammate. Why are you jumping off the wall to go towards the ball and then telling me to go to the ball? If I had hit the ball, wouldn't it have gone straight into you and into our net? Wouldn't it? Yeah, because you're in a shit position that you shouldn't have been in the first place. I don't know why you're rotating bullside. This game's... People in this game don't make sense anymore.
very much confused on why what I'm trying to do isn't working.
I'm not even joking, I was the sole reason we stayed in that game. Oh, and I'm against him, thank God. Time to absolutely shit on this guy. Okay, I can't double jump quicker, game. What else can I do to get it above him? Oh, thanks. Thanks, teammate.
Oh, that's why it's wrong. That isn't the variable. We want to create a variable. No, bugger off. Called status text. This wants to be set to text.
This guy did a double reset while not even getting one reset. Okay.
That wants to be binded to status text.
Yeah, because this guy flipped once, it hit the top of his car, and he's got another flip somehow. So...
Which is fine. The default value wants to be set to roaming.
Okay, me and this teammate both know that we're good demo merchants. Let's go kaboom. I just went Allah Akbar on this guy. Allah Akbar. Oh no, that's oh, and I'm stuck in the air. Okay. Damn it, I messed up. Oh, I thought teammate was gonna be further up than that. It's fine, I got boost anyway. Just have to be careful on them bumping me now. Fake. You know, teammate, I thought you would, like, go for it with the 50
Nope.
pad and whack it.
Text.
Take forever.
Edit text source string.
No, about half flips or something and how useful they actually are.
Nope.
How has he demoed me? How is one faster than someone who is boosting at full speed? That is physically not possible.
I need to know now, if I press that button, it should change the source string to idle. That should work. That needs to shut the fuck up. Do not want that open anymore. How close are you to GC2 then?
Honestly, I'm just going up and down in this.
Fair enough.
I've gone down to Div 2.
Really? Dan, you just dropped far. I know I can keep up with GT1s.
I bet the second I get into GC2, I'll be able to fly through it, or at least feel like.
I pressed the button and it isn't changing the text. Why are you not changing my bloody text?
Teammate, what do you expect me to do on a kick off like that when I have no boost? Wait, please, just go in game. Oh my, thank you.
No, that's wrong. I need to change the text, but how do I change the text? I could just do it the gay way and just have it set a text, one text invisible, one of the text invisible. That'd make it so much easier than me doing this whole way. I'm doing it that way because I prefer it that way. I'm doing it the dumb way because it's easier for my dumbass brain to comprehend. Remove binding.
How is he faster than me?
That wants to be set to visible. Then I want a second one on the top of that, inline, called idle. That wants to say idle. This one wants to be set invisible from the start, so hidden. This wants to be set as a variable. Roaming, that wants to be set to, that's going to be called roaming.
Bro, how was that
Set to visible, then I go to the graph. I would delete you, because I don't need you no more. So on can roam, it wants to grab this. Set visibility. Is it? Yeah, set visibility to hidden. And then set the visibility of the other one to true, so that means it's idle.
My lord, there's no way they've just thrown that.
And then I want to set this here and swap it around, so that becomes visible and that becomes hidden. This is the most easiest way for my dumbass to do it this way, because this way seems easier. I can't bother to do the whole change text function when I can just have multiple text that just swaps between them both. Because my dumbass is stupid.
9 kickoffs and I've done 2 of them.
And I'm guessing you've lost every kickoff but the 2 you've done.
Nope. We actually, well, I think there's only 1 that we've actually won, and it wasn't even my one.
Damn.
To be fair, they have a really good kickoff strat that we physically cannot, like, combat.
It isn't changing the text.
Also, by the way, Phasmo's almost on console.
I know. I'm not getting it though. I've got it on fucking PC. Why would I get it on console?
No, I'm just saying that ready for fucking
Oh, because that actually ain't gonna do anything because it wasn't set up. Ha! I didn't say it's invisible. My dumbass didn't say it's invisible. It wasn't actually changing anything. Yeah?
I was saying it because I was saying that I'm gonna be able to play it soon.
Well, thing is, I'm gonna start paying for Game Pass monthly. So because it is cross-platform with Xbox, I might just download the console version as well and play the console version, because I don't think you can cross-platform with PC.
No, I think you can, because they're saying it's cross-platform just in general.
Yes, but when you look it up, they said there wasn't going to cross-platform with PC.
Yeah, yet, because it's not being like important properly on the console.
Why aren't you changing the text to visible or hidden?
It's still just an out.
Okay, I have something open that allows me to set it to visible and hidden. Let me open up my bloody college project. I'm opening my college project just to get one piece of code, because I can't remember it. I've been streaming for about like 40 minutes, and I'll stream one game of Rocket League. If I like it, then I'll turn it off. If I don't, then I'll keep streaming Rocket League. No one seems to be complaining about the internet, so I'm guessing the internet is playing up because of the bad weather, not because me streaming. I was also downloading yesterday, no one was complaining, so I started playing Predecessor again, but I don't really enjoy it. It's alright, it's just not one of my favourite games.
I have gone back up to 1497.
Really?
Yep.
Nice. So, what was it under? Mine was under my, I had a cutscene. Is my cutscene set up on here, or is it not set up on this one? I don't know if I set up my cutscene. Did I set up my cutscenes? I did not set up the cutscene. I did, but I'm not on the right version to where my cutscenes are.
Guys, it's called Fairy Smeek.
Okay, so this isn't the one that has the cutscene. Is it? Is it the one that has the cutscene? No, it's not, because it's not the right project. I need to download the right one. I need to download my current project. I'm hiding my screen real quick.
Oh shit.
I need to download my current college project so I can get my code.
Oh
Because I have it on mine, what it sets as things being visible and invisible, because I have text on mine and things on mine get set to visible and invisible.
Did you know that jumping like completely stops your momentum?
Nah, I didn't know that at all, Brothers. Thanks for telling me. Sarcasm in my voice.
You know, because I jumped off the fucking wall and it was like, mad.
Oh, it happens to me every time. I jump, it's like, but where's my momentum go? Oh, you're not allowed momentum. Go off.
What? This guy demoed me by just not even driving.
Yep, normally the way.
Fair enough.
Gotta wait for it to download the zip file. The zip file ain't that big, so it shouldn't take long to download.
Oh, teammate.
All this just for me to get bloody AI working to an extent, so I can change it from roaming to idle, which is then also going to do a bunch of others when it comes to actually setting up all the other tasks it can do.
What is wrong with people in 1500? Like, I get to like 40, I got to 1499. I was 1 MMR off of 1500.
Yeah.
We immediately just lose.
They suck. Like it's the same with me. It's the same with me, right? As soon as I get to Champ 2 Div 4, my teammates suck and I'm not back down again.
Yep.
It's like, how are you so bad? What did I do for you to be so bad?
So high, but so bad.
Exactly. You play like a plat, and then you moan at me for going for the ball when I'm on 0 boost. But it doesn't matter, because if you're on 0 boost, you can still go for the ball. If you know how to go for the ball on 0 boost, which I do, because Rue taught me how to do it on 0 boost.
I just challenge as much as like if it's my challenge, I just
exactly. I do. Like, 0 boost. You need 0 boost players in Rocket League. You don't want to rely on boost. Never. You need 0 boost players.
The most boost you actually really need in Rocket League is 12.
Thing is, you don't.
Yeah, you don't really need that if you can fast aerial.
No, not even that. In defense, right? Even if you've got 0 boost, if you've got the momentum, go on the backboard, squishy save off the back of the net, right? Or you go on the sidewall, you've got a front flip save there, or the backboard, just a save. You really don't need boost for defense. If you're on the ground, then yes, you need about 12 boost.
Okay, this guy is getting mad at me for having to dodge a demo and immediately teleport to the ball.
But if you think about it, you don't really need full boost for defense. You don't always need boost for defense. Yeah, it's easier to have boost in defense, but you don't necessarily need it.
Teammate, why do you want to forfeit? How about if you actually play as a team for once? Like the one goal you've scored is because of a pass I've given you. Like, look at you, just whack it mid. I was there ready.
So set visibility. That is the target is a widget. Okay, I know what it is now.
Bro, how does
set visibility?
Fucking hell.
Visibility. And it's a widget. Set a widget visibility. That's not what I want.
Look at that. Look, this guy has now figured out if we play as a team, because I've given him another pass and he just scored. Like, play as a team and then maybe we might score and win.
Set visibility. It needs to be a widget.
Please, in. Oh my lord, this is so gay. I'm not there for that one, teammate. I don't have boost. If I had the boost, I would have.
Widget visibility. Set visibility of a widget. Here we go. Idle. Set that to visible. But I also want to set this one to hidden. Set that to hidden, and it doesn't want to be idle. It wants to be roaming. Set that to visible. Like that. But then if it's pressed it again, it wants to.
Oh my god! And this guy is. How does the one guy in defense who had no boost, who sat in the goal, because I know he had no boost, because he was trying to go for boost, he somehow had boost by going over, by just sitting in there. Apparently there's a passive recharge on boost now, that I just didn't know about.
Yeah, apparently. Set that to visible, meaning now, when you press the button, it should go between idle and roaming, which is then what allows me to cancel roaming.
Teammate! This is this is what I mean. Play as a team, but not like stay inside of me.
Yeah, let's just give me 2 seconds. I'll let you be on. As soon as this works, I'll load it on. And I'll do some more AI later. I've got a lot to do on the AI anyway, so.
Okay, what happened to my bump?
Non-existent.
Teammate! Stop going inside of
Click
me!
on the AI.
Hell.
It doesn't set my visibility to visible or invisible. Why is it not setting my text? Normally, it'll go between visible and invisible, but it's not.
Oh my god, how have you missed that?
Am I doing something wrong? I shouldn't be doing something wrong to change the text. Wait, once I just have no text there. Oh, see, there's no text there, it goes to idle.
I just gave me human anymore.
No, it wants to have a text there because it wants to be able to switch between both. Set that to hidden. If we create, if I, no. I did that, and that did the thing to go hidden and invisible, but not on a button press. But mine wants to be on a button press. It wants to set things to. Okay, I'll do some more later. I'm going to rock it.
Yeah, I've just gotten into a game by the way.